Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Embrace Wellness. My name is Sweetie Addo and in today's video we are going to talk about how to take care of our lips during this winter season. And once you follow up with the regime of taking care of your lips, you can continue doing so for the rest of the seasons to come. Do you know the skin on our lips is much more thinner than the skin on the rest of the parts of our body? This means the lips are prone to a lot of problems like dry lips, chapped lips, cracked lips, lipstick bleeding, that is the area around our mouth, tends to lose its elasticity due to aging or smoking. Now, lips don't have any ability to create sun-filtering melanin and they have lesser amount of oil glands. This means they have virtually no protection on their own. Now that you know the different types of problems that you can face with your lips, I got you some DIY of lip scrub and lip balm that will help contain the problems. So please continue to watch the entire video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. So let's make our DIY lip scrub. For making this lip scrub, we would be needing 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You can also use the white sugar which is available in the kitchen. We would be needing half a teaspoon of cold pressed sweet almond oil. If you don't have sweet almond oil, you can replace it with the coconut oil that is used in cooking. And half a teaspoon of honey. Here I'm using Dabur honey. Mix all the ingredients together to make a consistency like the way I'm showing it right now. I just don't like it too runny because then the exfoliation part doesn't happen if the granules melt. Now what you need to do is you need to store this much of amount in a container so that you can at least use it twice a week, and this much is enough for at least 2 weeks. You can refrigerate it and it is all good to use. Now let's make our DIY lip balm. For making this lip balm, we would be needing 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, half a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, you'd also be needing a lipstick to get that tint to your lip balm. Here I'm using an all natural lipstick because I believe in using natural products. Now cut a small piece of the lipstick and add it to the bowl. Now the more lipstick you use, the more opaque your lip balm will be. For making the lip balm, boil some water in a container and put the glass bowl where you have placed the Vaseline, the olive oil and the lip balm together and let it melt. Now heat it high for about 25 to 30 seconds and keep stirring with a spoon or a toothpick. You need the petroleum jelly to be clear and lump free. If it isn't, keep heating it at 45-second intervals until it is completely melted. Keep stirring until the color is even and no streaks remain. Take it off the heat and let it cool down. After you see that it has cooled down a little, then store it in a container. Now you can store this lip balm for as long as you want because it is all natural and it is not going to go bad. And look at this color. I believe it is much better and more natural than the lip balms which are available in the market. Now let's see how to use the lip scrub and the lip balm and what are the benefits of using it. Take a small amount of the lip scrub and with the help of your ring finger, rub the mixture on your lips in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, almond oil replenishes moisture and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It works wonders in making your lips supple and help you get rid of pigmentation. While brown sugar acts as a natural exfoliator that helps remove dead dry skin on the lips. Honey is rich in natural healing properties. This lip scrub helps to exfoliate dead cells, so new fresh skin of the lips is revealed. Now let me tell you guys, while scrubbing your lips, even if this goes inside your mouth, it tastes really well. You can eat it, you can wipe it, or you can wash it with lukewarm water. Look at the difference, you guys. Now that it has helped to slough off the dead chapped skin, it will help your lip balm to penetrate deeper into the skin. Vaseline in this lip balm is good for soothing dry, chapped, withered lips. Not only that, it's an excellent moisture barrier as well. Now, olive oil is a moisturizing ingredient. It is filled with antioxidants, vitamin E, and it is also a natural conditioner that nourishes your skin, and it also further helps in revealing the natural pink tint of your lips. Now that the lipstick that I've added to this lip balm is also natural, so you can definitely see the difference in my lips before and after. My lips look so nourished and moisturized. So guys, I believe that this video had been useful, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give your valuable feedback. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.